Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about capitalize on content 10 tips and technique for SEO content writing. Are you a content writer? Improve your content writing for SEO with these 10 tips from growth. It's no secret that SEO and content go hand in hand. After all, without SEO, your content may be lost somewhere on page 50 of the search results. And we all know traffic on those pages is less than satisfactory. That is why a good relationship between SEO and great content is essential. Here in this video, I will describe 10 tips on how to write SEO content to make your content go further and enhance your SEO efforts at the same time. SEO writing tips to make your contents go further. Number 1. Write for your audience first. This SEO content writing tip is number 1 for a reason. It seems easy and enough. Yet so many companies make content for all the wrong reasons. Not all posts need to be about your products or service, but they all should be industry related. Assert yourself and your company as an expert in your industry by writing SEO friendly content that is interesting and informative, and do it better than your competition. Second, keep all under the same roof. Get the credit and traffic your website deserves by keeping your original content under your own domain name. That means if you have a blog option out of hosting with WordPress or Blogger and host the blog in a subfolder on your own domain, let's suppose www.example.com/blog. Anytime you have an opportunity to showcase other forms of original content like video, infographics or white papers, make sure also embed them onto your website as well as on share from there. Make headlines that pack a punch. You have a very short amount of text to make a very big impression, so do not underestimate the power of an effective headlines on SEO. Also make sure your meta description are interesting and further elaborate on the topic of your article. Keep in mind that your title and meta description are what show up in the search results, so make them count. The fourth one is use keyword rich phrases. Use relevant keyword rich phrases in your headline as well as throughout your content to let both your readers and the search engines know that what you post is about. Use keyword throughout thoughtfully and sparingly, sticking to a more natural feel. In addition to using keywords, thought out the body of your post. Take advantage blog tags by tagging a few relevant keywords for each post. Most general blogs have tagging capabilities already built in. The fifth one is structure your post. The content of your post may be grayed out but can be easily lost in an unorganized, inefficient format. Breaking your content up into smaller paragraphs with headlines make for an easy read that will keep your readers engaged. H1 heading for title, H2 heading for subtitle is important to maintain a well-structured article. Incorporate imagery. Make sure your posts pop with images. People are visuals. In addition to promoting your blog across your other social media channels, posts with images can also be pinned, adding another avenue for traffic to your website. 7th method is propel content with social media. Social media is a powerful tool that can help increase the reach of your content and promote sharing. Since the power of social media lies in sharing, it is also important to have buttons on each of your blog posts. Cards for Twitter or open graph for Facebook can give your share links a boost and may help your click through rates. The eighth method is implement Google authorship. Google authorship is a quick and easy way to tie content to a certain author. All you need is a Google Plus account. Google authorship is great for personal promotion but can also increase the click through rate to your articles. If you are another author, learn how to set up authorship for your website. The ninth mechanism is promote nature link building. Link buildings has come a very long way since the days of link buying and link forms, but links are still an important ranking factor for SEO. If you get creative with the other types of content like infographics and video, adding an embed code on your site help to promote content sharing and also add the link back to the original source. Creating great SEO content helps increase the shareability and the likelihood that other website will link to it. So aim for quality. And the last method is monitor your activity. Step on top of your SEO friendly content by monitoring your efforts. Google Analytics is an easy and free way to track your page views and the average time spent on page. If you see a high drop off in addition to a low average time spent on the page, that is an indication that your content was not relevant to what they were looking for, or worse, was not interesting. Also, take a look at the number of social interactions to get an idea of the virality of your post. Both SEO and content writing are important pieces to the puzzle, so it's important to use quality techniques for both to ensure higher traffic and engagement on your website. If you have any question about SEO content or how they work together, feel free to contact for more SEO writing tips. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.